I want to be somebody. I find a lot of people telling me this. Actually, at some point, I was like, I want to be somebody. It's either you want to be someone successful, someone famous, someone important. And in that pursuit, you realize that you want to be anybody except yourself. It's because on some level, you thought that you're not good enough and you're not worthy. So the solution is to be somebody else. We're all now in this pursuit, creating this facade of someone that we're not so that we're loved, so that we are accepted. And a lot of times people tell me, I want to be somebody. Just be you. How's that? And then we discover that that's not good enough for them. Or their perception of themselves is shit. Or sometimes they don't know who they are. And that's okay. You don't have to know who you really are. Because really, we always don't know who we really are. Because whoever you are, you're always more than that. You're always more than that. If you ask me, I don't know who I am. I'm nobody. I just discover who I am in the process.